This is David from Rogers Gardens, and today I'm going to talk about the 2025 Tomato of the Year, Persuasion. So Persuasion is a deep pink tomato with peach and gold striping with blue shoulders, and it's 2.5 ounces, so it's a little larger than a ping pong. The flavor of Persuasion is more sweet than tangy with a little bit of an acid profile. It's also fruity with a unique flavor, and it's good for everything. It's good for salsa, fresh eating, slicing, salads. Persuasion is an indeterminate plant, so it's very vigorous and it's a good producer. So it's a taller, viney plant, but great on production. So Persuasion was bred by one of my favorite seed companies, Wild Boar Farms out of Napa, California. He has so many unique varieties. So when growing Persuasion, it's a larger, indeterminate vining type of tomato. So if you're doing a container, give it a lot of room. I'll do an 18 to 20 inch pot. I'll use a really good potting soil like the Malibu potting soil, and that will give it off to a good start. If you're putting it in the ground, just give it a good tomato cage, really break up the soil and use good amendments. Malibu compost, that's the one I use. I'll do some earthworm castings. So give it room in containers, give it room in the ground, put it in a nice tall cage and let it grow. So the great thing about Persuasion is it's a mid-season variety. So it's not really early, it's not really late. At 75 days till maturity, it's a mid variety. So watered and fertilizing. You got to be consistent with doing that. So a lot of times it really depends on where you're at and how hot it is. In containers, I might be going once or twice a week. In the ground, I might be going once a week. So you really got to be consistent. And with fertilizing, in a container, I might go once a month. In the ground, I might do 3 times through the growing season. Thank you for joining me today for talking about the 2025 Tomato of the Year, Persuasion, and I can't wait to see you guys at Tomatomania. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you want to stay in the loop on all the events we have at Rogers Gardens, don't forget to sign up for our preferred customer email.